I was telling you about River Krishna. River Krishna starts, I was telling you about Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats start with River Kaveri. So this is River Kaveri. To the north of River Kaveri, start making a line and extend it till River Krishna. So from Kaveri to Krishna, one small line, and then from Godavari till Mahanadi, one more small line. Okay, these are the areas of Eastern Ghats. Garo Khasi Jaintia is not in syllabus. It's been removed, so I'm not teaching you. Nilgiri Hills are there. So where are Nilgiri Hills? You just see this river Kaveri. River Kaveri makes one angle. This is one angle. So parallel to this angle, you just make small hills. These are these are mountain Nilgiris. So Nilgiri range is in the syllabus. Okay, Mount K2 is in the syllabus. Mount K2 Godwin Austen is located in Karakoram range. So over Karakoram range, if you make a triangle, it is Mount K2. Its location is little above Karakoram range actually, where my cursor is. So you have to take this triangle above, right above this portion. So you have to make it below this M. Below M, make a triangle, that is Mount K2 Godwin Austen. Mount K2 Godwin Austen is the highest peak of India. Mount Kanchenjunga is not in syllabus. So only Mount K2 Godwin Austen is in syllabus now. I want to teach you about plateaus now. Okay. To mark Peninsular Plateau, Deccan Plateau, what you have to remember is this is River Tapi. To the south of River Tapi, make a line and make a triangle between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Make a triangle between Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats and Nilgiri. So that makes the boundary. Northern boundary is Tapi, western boundary is Western Ghats, eastern boundary is Eastern Ghats, southern boundary is Nilgiris. This is Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is in your syllabus, so you have to remember it. Remember, don't take your Deccan Plateau to the south of River Kaveri. Don't take it to the north of River Tapi. If you are marking it to the north of River Tapi and to the south of River Kaveri, it will be a wrong in board exams. Okay, now Chota Nagpur Plateau. You will find this small river, River Damodar, in your maps which are given by the board. So just around River Damodar, on the mouth of River Damodar, or to the south of River Ganga, make a circle, that is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Thar Desert. In Rajasthan, from this cut to this, you just mark a line, that is Thar Desert. That's it for today.